Hey guys, welcome to Venetian Hills area. I wanted to talk you through something a little different that you may notice on this house. This is actually a duplex that was turned into a single family house. You know, with the national shortage of housing that we have for families looking for homes, this could be an opportunity or an option for you or some of your clients to turn a duplex into a single family house. Notice this house has 2 front porches, 2 front doors. This house was actually featured on the hit show Flipping Virgins with Egypt Sherrod. She does a great job. She did a great job with that show. Come on in, let's take a further look. As we walk into this house, you see this huge long run. And the house is technically split into 2. You see 2 sets of windows. The original beam was probably here. You've got a kitchen in this corner, and probably in this corner as well, it was where the other kitchen was. Also, there's 4 bedroom, 2 baths. So when you come on this side of the house, you've got traditional 2 full bedrooms with 1 bath, and they were able to take some of the laundry area and pull from what the original kitchen was, with having some of the plumbing on this side of the house. Brand new electrical, all new sheetrock, all new doors, new windows, fully permitted with the city of Atlanta. I think they did a really great job. I mean, look at this run here on this house. What a great way to just switch it up and bring value to a home. On this side as well, we've got your other 2 bedrooms, where similar size. This one has some great corners. I really love the corners of this. And even in the backyard, the lot was so wide that some of the fencing, some of the lot actually crosses on the other side. So we're very happy to share that with the new homeowner of this house, that this yard is a lot wider than they initially thought. But yeah, this is our 1 bath. It's 2 bedroom, 1 bath on both sides. And it's great for urban pioneer wanting to come into the hot Venetian Hills location. Minutes from the city, minutes from the airport. What a great way to switch gears and flip it on the market when the market tells you there's no more inventory. Again, look for more great tips and tricks from Torrence. Just want to continue to add value to you and your real estate business and put new ideas in your brain to keep pushing business forward. Have a great day.